Imagine a common backyard plant that could quietly transform your health in ways you never expected. It's not a rare superfood from a distant land, but something you might walk past every day without a second thought. This is not an exotic supplement or a trendy health fad, but a humble green leaf with a powerful secret. Its unmistakable bitterness, a taste that holds the key to its remarkable benefits. Most of us instinctively avoid bitter flavors, associating them with unpleasantness. But by doing so, we often miss out on one of nature's most potent and overlooked medicines, hidden in plain sight. This plant, known as bitter leaf, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. Healers and families alike have relied on it to address a wide range of ailments, from simple digestive troubles to more persistent chronic conditions. The unique compounds found in bitter leaf work in harmony to support your body's natural defenses, cleanse vital organs like the liver and kidneys, and help manage blood sugar levels, making it a true ally for overall wellness. Across Africa, generations have revered this leaf, passing down knowledge that its bitterness is not a flaw, but a sign of its powerful health benefits. It's a tradition rooted in wisdom and respect for nature's gifts. Today, modern science is finally catching up, confirming what traditional healers have always known. Bitter compounds are essential for optimal body function. They stimulate digestion, balance gut health, and even help regulate metabolism. These compounds also kickstart the liver's natural cleansing processes, helping your body eliminate toxins and maintain internal balance. In today's world, we're rediscovering this ancient wisdom, learning how to harness the power of bitter leaf for vibrant, lasting health. It's a journey back to our roots and forward to a healthier future. Get ready to challenge your taste buds, open your mind, and discover how bitter leaf can become a powerful ally in your daily routine, supporting your body in ways you might never have imagined. In this video, I'll show you exactly what bitter leaf is, why it's so incredibly good for you, and how you can easily add it to your meals, whether in soups, teas, or fresh salads. By the end, you'll see this humble leaf not just as another plant, but as a key to unlocking a healthier, more energetic, and more vibrant version of yourself. So let's dive into the fascinating world of bitter leaf together and unlock its secrets for a better, healthier life, one leaf at a time. So, what is bitter leaf? Scientifically called Vernonia amygdalina, it's a resilient shrub found across tropical Africa. Its long, deep green leaves are famous for their intense bitterness, a sign of their medicinal power. In West African kitchens, bitter leaf is a staple, often washed or boiled to mellow its flavor before being added to soups and stews. Think of it as a supercharged spinach, packed with nutrients and healing compounds. It thrives in tough conditions, making it accessible to nearly everyone. Nature's pharmacy right outside your door. Families have passed down the tradition of using bitter leaf for generations, relying on its health benefits. While bitter leaf can refer to several plants, Vernonia amygdalina is the most studied and celebrated. It belongs to the daisy family and is loaded with phytochemicals like flavonoids, alkaloids, and saponins. These natural compounds defend the plant, and when we eat them, they help protect us too. So, when you see this unassuming leaf, remember, it's a powerhouse of health-promoting nutrients. Bitter leaf is more than food. It's a tradition and a natural remedy. Why embrace bitterness? It's a question that might seem odd at first, especially since most of us are taught to avoid bitter flavors. But there's a fascinating reason why this taste has been cherished in traditional diets for generations. That sharp, distinctive taste is actually a signal, a sign that the plant is packed with powerful phytonutrients and natural compounds that can do wonders for your health. When you taste something bitter, your body springs into action. Instantly, your mouth produces more saliva, and your digestive system starts releasing enzymes, all in preparation for breaking down your food more efficiently. Bitter leaf in particular stimulates the production of stomach acid, which is crucial for breaking down proteins and absorbing essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and magnesium from your meals. It also encourages your liver to produce more bile, a vital fluid that not only helps digest fats, but also plays a key role in detoxifying your body and keeping your metabolism running smoothly. Think of bile as your body's natural garbage truck, collecting toxins and waste products from the liver and carrying them into the intestines, where they can be safely eliminated. Unfortunately, in our modern diets, we've bred out much of the bitterness from our vegetables, and with it, we've lost many of these vital health benefits that our ancestors enjoyed. By reintroducing bitter leaf into your meals, you're not just adding flavor, you're reactivating ancient metabolic pathways and supporting your body's natural defenses against disease and stress. This isn't just about taste. It's about giving your digestive system and liver the workout they need to stay strong, resilient, and efficient. The result? You'll experience better nutrient absorption, improved detoxification, and a stronger, more vibrant foundation for lifelong health and energy. So don't fear the bitter flavor. Instead, embrace it as a powerful therapeutic tool that your body instinctively knows how to use. Bitter leaf is a simple, natural way to support your body's intelligence, helping you feel more balanced and alive every day. Sometimes the best medicine is the one that wakes up your senses, reminding you of the deep connection between taste and wellness. Let bitterness be your body's signal for wellness, and rediscover the ancient wisdom hidden in every bite. A strong immune system is your best defense, and bitter leaf is packed with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and weaken immunity. Think of them as a rust-proof shield for your body, keeping your immune cells strong and ready to fight. Bitter leaf also has natural antimicrobial properties, helping your body fend off bacteria and fungi. Traditional healers have used it for infections and fevers, and modern studies confirm its pathogen-fighting abilities. Its anti-inflammatory compounds calm chronic inflammation, allowing your immune system to focus on real threats. By reducing unnecessary inflammation, you create a more balanced, resilient internal environment. Bitter leaf is a simple way to keep your immune system nourished and protected. Your gut is the epicenter of your health, and bitter leaf is a powerful ally for digestive harmony. Its bitter compounds kickstart saliva and stomach acid, ensuring food is broken down efficiently. This helps prevent bloating and heaviness after meals. Bitter leaf is also rich in fiber, which sweeps through your intestines, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Its antimicrobial properties help balance gut bacteria, supporting the growth of beneficial microbes. Think of it as gentle weeding for your gut's garden. For occasional stomach upset, a simple bitter leaf tea can soothe and calm the digestive tract. Unlike antacids, it works with your body's natural processes, encouraging long-term balance. Adding bitter leaf to your diet means supporting your gut from the inside out. A happy gut leads to a happier, healthier you. Let bitter leaf be your digestive system's best friend. Managing blood sugar is crucial for millions, and bitter leaf offers natural support. Its compounds help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use sugar more efficiently. Bitter leaf may also slow carbohydrate digestion, releasing sugar into your bloodstream gradually and preventing spikes. Some studies suggest it can reduce the liver's glucose production, supporting stable blood sugar even during fasting. While not a cure for diabetes, it's a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, alongside diet, exercise, and medical advice. Try a cup of bitter leaf tea before meals, or add it to your dinner for a natural metabolic boost. Use every tool nature offers to help your body maintain balance. Sometimes, the best relief comes in a bitter package. Your liver is your body's master filter, and bitter leaf is its trusted ally. The leaf's bitter compounds stimulate bile flow, flushing toxins and waste from your liver. Efficient bile flow means your liver can detoxify and process fats without getting bogged down. Bitter leaf is also hepatoprotective, shielding liver cells from damage with powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals generated during detoxification, preventing long-term harm. Animal studies show bitter leaf can lower liver enzymes and protect against toxin-induced damage. While more human research is needed, the evidence is promising. Adding bitter leaf to your diet is like giving your liver a spa day, helping it cleanse, repair, and rejuvenate. Support your liver, and it will support you. Bitter leaf is a simple way to keep your body's detox system running smoothly. Ready to try bitter leaf? There are easy, delicious ways to add it to your routine. Use it in soups and stews. Just wash or boil the leaves to reduce bitterness. Make a simple tea. Steep fresh or dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, adding lemon or honey if needed. Drink a cup before meals to prime your digestion. Blend a leaf or two into your morning smoothie. The fruit will mask the bitterness. Start small and increase as you get used to the taste. Bitter leaf supplements are also available if fresh leaves aren't accessible. Choose a reputable brand. Whether you cook, sip, blend, or supplement, there's a way for everyone to enjoy the benefits. Experiment and find what works for you. Let bitter leaf become a natural part of your healthy lifestyle. Bitter leaf is powerful, but it's important to use it wisely. This video is for educational purposes. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication for diabetes or blood pressure, talk to your doctor first. Bitter leaf can interact with medications and may not be suitable for everyone. Start with a small amount and see how your body responds. Pay attention to your digestion and overall well-being. Your health team's advice should always come first. Open communication with your doctor ensures you use natural remedies safely. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Safety and mindfulness are key to a successful wellness journey. Use bitter leaf as a tool, not a cure-all, and always prioritize your health. We've explored bitter leaf's remarkable benefits, from boosting digestion and immunity to helping your body function at its best every day. This simple plant, often overlooked, is packed with nutrients and natural compounds that can make a real difference in your overall well-being. It supports liver health, helps balance blood sugar, and may even aid in reducing inflammation, making it a true powerhouse for your daily routine. This humble leaf is proof that nature offers powerful tools for wellness, right at our fingertips. Sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones that grow quietly in our gardens. Remember, knowledge is the first step, but it's the actions you take that create real, lasting change. Setting small, achievable goals can help you stay motivated and on track. Try a cup of bitter leaf tea to start your morning, letting its earthy flavor remind you of your commitment to health, or add it to a smoothie for a nutritious boost. Experiment with flavors and find what works for you. And don't hesitate to talk to your doctor about incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. Every small step toward better health is a victory, no matter how minor it may seem. Celebrate your progress and keep moving forward. Share what you've learned with friends and family. Wellness grows when we support each other and build healthy habits together. Let's create a ripple effect of health and empowerment in our communities, inspiring others to join us on this journey. Don't let this be just another video. Let it spark a new chapter in your health journey. Take what you've learned and put it into practice, starting today. Explore the world of bitter foods. Listen to your body's signals and discover new ways to nourish yourself. And always work with your healthcare team to make choices that are right for you. Your journey to better health starts now, with the choices you make today and the habits you build for tomorrow. Thank you for joining me on this discovery. Your curiosity and willingness to learn are the first steps toward transformation. Be well, and always make your health a priority. Your future self will thank you for it. You have the power to make amazing things happen, one mindful choice at a time. Let bitter leaf be your ally on the path to vibrant living, and embrace the journey ahead with confidence and hope.